Go ahead, Cora. I'm following you.
I'm the leader.
Where'd you take the frog?
It's right here.
Where'd he go?
Right here.
Did he go to the park with you?
Yeah.
Do you want him to sleep with you? You want to take him home? Take him home. I'll follow you. Where?
Target. Going to Target.
No, not today.
Yes.
Let's go. I'm following you.